Hi Chippewa students, just wanted to come in here and give you a quick overview on how to make sure you can get to your StudentVUE and access all the great tools on there, which include some of your gradebook, your daily schedule, and really other test information throughout the school year. It's something that we always as deans tell students to go ahead and check every week to make sure that you're staying on top of your assignments, and then it's a great way to communicate with your teachers too. So if you're new to Chippewa, which this video is going to go to mostly 6th graders, I want to show you how to really get into StudentVUE for the first time. And if you're having any technical difficulties, how to reach out to your dean and get your password reset. So I'm just going to get right to it here. The first step is really to go to the Chippewa website, and that's how you're going to be able to get to StudentVUE. I know sometimes it's hard to remember maybe the whole URL, how to get to the Chippewa website. So many times I just go ahead and Google it, go to Chippewa Middle School, then you can click on our website right through there just like this. Then once you get here, it's going to be very easy. You can go right to the top where it says Parent View. Now that may seem confusing as well, but Parent View and StudentVUE are on the same platform and they many times use the same link. So click right on this Parent View tool, and this will take you to this website here where you can click to access Parent View. This will take you to your easiest question of the day. Am I a parent or am I a student? Click I am a student. And here's where you're going to log in. This is where I want you to put in your login information is going to be your beginning of your school email. Mine would be 2027 Swan T for my name. And then whatever ends up being the first couple digits of your student ID. But really this is everything that is in your school email before the @MoundsViewSchools. So I'm going to erase that. That is going to be your username, that first part of your school email. Then your password should be the exact same password as your school Gmail password. So go ahead and type that in, what that would be. Now, I don't have an account here as a dean under StudentVUE, so when I hit it, I'm going to see that it's an invalid user ID and password. If for some reason you're not able to get access through that, you can use this Forgot Password tool. You can go ahead and get it, type in your school email and get a password reset link sent right to you, and you can get your password reset. If that does not work, which this should take care of your issues, if this does not work, please just email your dean, and we will need to be able to reactivate your StudentVUE and give you a new password to get started. Now, before I end this video, I do want to pull up this visual right on the screen to just give you a chance to read through the directions step by step. If you want to, it's a great tool is just pause this video and you can read through the steps right on your screen. But they are, as mentioned, about going to the Chippewa website, clicking on StudentVUE through there, clicking I am a student, and typing in your credentials, which are going to be based off your school Gmail.